quicksort, first element usually become the pivot point, and the last and first become last and first. And we compare A with pivot point. I mean, it's same, equal, we move on. 5 is smaller than pivot point, so it's okay. 11 is not smaller than pivot point. So now this becomes the first element, and 4, which is the last element, is smaller than pivot point. And we're gonna keep there, and we're gonna sweep first and last. So now it becomes 4, 10, 7, 11. And we move one place in from each side. So now 2 is the last element, and 13 is the last element, first element. 8 is still the pivot point. So 13 is greater than pivot point, so it stays where it is. 2 is smaller than the pivot, so it stays where it is. And we are gonna switch the first and last element. 2, 7, 19, 21, 13, 11. We move in one place again, last and first. We compare 7 and 8, and 7 is smaller than pivot point, so you can move up another place over here. And 19 is smaller than 8, so you can continue to move on to the next one. And 21 is greater than 8, so it stops over here. On the other hand, for the the last element, 21 is greater than pivot point, so we can move on. And negative 19 is no longer greater than 8, the pivot point, so it stops over here. And because the first and last elements are like swapped, this becomes the split point, negative 19. Once you have split point, we're gonna swap split point and the pivot point. Then we'll have negative 19, 5, 4, 2, 7, 8, 21, 13, 11. And on this split point, all the elements are smaller than 8. Left hand side, the right hand sides are all greater than 8.